Naniniwala ang bagong halal na impeachment presiding officer na si Senator Judge Chis Escudero na 16 ang kailangang boto para makonvict si Vice President Sara Duterte. Kahapon 21 sa 24 na senador lang ang nasa paglilitis dahil 2 ay nakakulong habang nagtatago naman ang isa. Isinusulong ng minority senator sa hilingin sa Sandigan Bayan na makapunta sina Senador Jinggoy Estrada at Senador Rodante Marcoleta sa impeachment court. May unang balita si Sandra Aguinaldo.
Sinimula na ang unang beses pa lang nangyayari sa kasaysayan ang pagsalang sa paglilitis ng isang vice-presidente ng Pilipinas. Hindi dumalo si Vice President Sara Duterte.
Karapatan ng sambayanan na malaman kung may katotohanan ang mga paratang laban sa pangalawang Pangulo. Tungkulin nating timbangin ang mga ebidensyang ihaharap at tiyakin ang ating magiging pasya ay nakabatay lamang sa batas at sa mga katotohanang mapatutunayan sa paglilitis.
3 senador ang hindi nakadalo, si Senador Ronald De La Rosa na nagtatago at mga nakakulong na sina Senador Jinggoy Estrada at Rodante Marcoleta. Agad naging mainit ang talakayan nang tutulan ng ilang minority senators ang binuksang proseso para sa pagboto ng bagong presiding officer. Argumenta ni Senador Alan Peter Cayetano, Senate President ang dapat tumayong presiding officer. Bagaman hindi raw ito nakasulat sa saligang batas, ito naman daw ang intensyon ng framers ng 1987 Constitution base sa transcript ng kanilang deliberasyon noon.
Institutional integrity. We need to protect the legitimacy of these proceedings. Even with the substitute presiding officer acts fairly, a conviction or acquittal reached under constitutionally defective process would invite judicial challenge and cast doubt on the validity of the entire trial.
Punto ni Cayetano, nag-ugat ang issue sa kino-question niyang sesyon noong Hunyo kung saan inamyendahan ng impeachment rules para payagan ang eleksyon ng presiding officer ng impeachment. Sagot ni Gatchalian, dumaan ito sa tamang proseso at ang tamang lugar daw para talakayin ang issue ay kapag nasa sesyon ang Senado.
No one objected to that resolution and it was duly approved by the body. So any discussion regarding this resolution should be discussed in plenary when the Senate convenes as a legislative body.
We did not follow our rules. So a rule that was passed that did not follow our rules or amendment that was passed that did not follow our rules is void.
Sinigundan si Cayetano ng kanyang kapatid.
We looked at what the constitutional framers said. What did they say? This is the foundation of this trial na tama yung nakaupong presiding officer.
Si Senador Kiko Pangilinan, nagpuntong dinala na ni Cayetano ang usapin sa Supreme Court sa pamamagitan ng petisyong ipawalang bisa ang June 3 session.
The matter is pending before the Supreme Court. There is no temporary restraining order. There was a request for a status quo ante order. It was not granted. The point of order is improper. In fact, the debate on this matter here in the impeachment court is out of order.
Sa huli, nagkaroon ng botohan.
Pursuant to Rule 2 of the Rules of Procedures on Impeachment Trials, as amended, I move to elect Senator Judge Francis Joseph Guevara Escudero as the presiding officer of this impeachment court.
Objection, Mr. President, and may I allow to...
We proceed
Objection,
to...
Mr. President, I'm allowed to object and I'm allowed to explain my objection.
You are allowed to object, but we will proceed
No, Mr.
with
President.
the division
Mr.
of the
President,
House.
point...
12 senador ang bumoto kay Escudero. 8 ang tumutol. Hindi bumoto si Escudero. Sa pagpapaliwanag ng kanyang pagtutol, may patama si Cayetano kay Escudero.
I have information that the 20 years AMLA records of Senator Escudero and his credit cards and bank accounts were all opened up in the office of the Senate President, where members of the Blue Ribbon Committee was here. Then we're going to ask him to preside. So there's a problem with, this is my explanation. This is my explanation.
To the gentleman
This is
from
factual
Taguig.
error.
With all due respect, your statement's already out of order has nothing to do with the topic on hand.
No, Mr.
And
President.
the presiding officer will strike off
It has all to do with this.
will strike off
It has all to do.
the
I do not,
statements
Mr. President,
pertaining to Senator
Mr.
Escudero.
President,
Dahil umiinit na ang usapan, sandaling sinuspend ang trial. Dito na umakyat sa podium si Escudero sa tabi ni Gatchalian para pamunuan ang impeachment court. Sa kanyang opening statement, may paalala si Escudero sa kapwa senator judges.
This is why the trial must be guided with prudence, tempered by caution, and marked with unquestionable impartiality. We must avoid even the appearance of impropriety and observe the cold neutrality of an impartial judge at all times. May I therefore caution my fellow senator judges, the prosecutors, the respondent, and their respective counsels and witnesses to refrain from making any comments and disclosures to the public pertaining to the merits of this trial as mandated by the impeachment rules itself.
Tinalakay rin ni Escudero ang issue kung ilang boto ang kailangan para makonvict ang respondent na si Vice President Duterte.
The Constitution provides that no person shall be convicted without the concurrence of 2/3 of all the members of the Senate. With 24 members of the Senate, a literal interpretation of this means that conviction requires the affirmative vote of at least 16 senator judges. This is the prevailing law today. Whether we agree with it or not, we must abide by it. However, those who disagree are not without recourse, because this is without prejudice to the right of any party who holds a different view to seek judicial relief.
Git Escudero, sakaling maglabas ng pasya ang Korte Suprema na iba sa kanyang sinabi, masusunod ang pasya ng Korte Suprema.
I think you saw after si Senator Cayetano tried to put it on record na it's the decision of the court na 16. I don't think legally that is the case right now in the sense that it can be brought up again. It still depends na how yung trial will go on, and are there additional arrests that will be made? Are there senators who cannot participate, etc.?
Ang House Panel of Prosecutors nagmosyon na basahin ang 4 na articles of impeachment at mag-enter ng tugon ni Duterte o kanyang plea na guilty or not guilty sa bawat article of impeachment. Tinutulan nito ng depensa. Sa huli, tinanggihan ng impeachment court na i-arraign si Duterte.
We understand the position of the impeachment court that an entry of plea of not guilty is deemed from the filing of the answer of the respondent. We understand that. But it was our intention really to place it on record, regardless of the decision of the impeachment court, to make it more organized, to make it more responsive to the mandate of the Constitution, and to make it consistent.
Tinalakay na rin ang iba pang pending na issue kaugnay sa magiging takbo ng paglilitis. Kaugnay naman sa selyadong kahong naglalaman ng tax records ni Vice President Duterte at mister na si Attorney Manasseh Carpio, nagpa siyang impeachment court na ibalik ito sa Bureau of Internal Revenue o BIR. Katwiran nila, hindi nila iniutos ang pagsusumite nito.
Tungkol dito sa BIR box, no? Yes, totoo, binalik ang BIR box. But this does not mean na nawala na yung evidentiary value nitong ebidensyang ito. Because at the proper time, ibabalik po ito, i-offer po ulit ito ng ating prosecution at hopefully the court will admit this as an evidence. So sa ngayon, ay nandyan lang yan.
We will reserve our comments for when that time happens or when it actually happens.
Humiling naman ang prosecution na ipasabina ang halos 10 bank managers mula sa iba't ibang bangko at branches mula Davao hanggang Metro Manila. Pinalagan ito ng depensa, bagamat ipinag-utos pa rin ng impeachment court ang mga sabina para rito.
We will include all our position and as well as our objections on the request with respect to these documents. And what it would seem to the defense would be another 2.0 version of a fishing expedition.
Ang minority senators naman, hindi pa rin isinusuko ang dapat anilang pagsali ni na Senador Estrada at Marcoleta sa impeachment court. Baka raw pwede itong hingin sa Sandigang Bayan. Walang nag-object sa mga senator judge mula sa mayorya, Pero para kay Senador Raffy Tulfo, pwede kung manonood lang naman sa TV.
Ang hinihingi po namin ay makapunta po sila dito bilang observer. Hindi lang po basta monitor.
Ipinag-utos naman ni Presiding Officer Escudero sa Secretariat na i-upload online lahat ng dokumento, memo at ebidensya sa kaso para sa transparency.
If a evidence presented is a fruit of the poisonous tree, will we upload that?
Insofar as documentary evidence is concerned, it will only be admitted and, if at all, admitted by the court and published once formal offer has been made. Until such time, we will not publish any documentary evidence even after being identified by a witness because it is the formal offer that will determine its admission by the court.
Ito ang unang balita. Sandra Aguinaldo, GMA News.